In the previous lab, we showed the data collected by the public transport network based in Auckland. We did some preparation of the data by creating the column month and the year. In this lab, we will plot the data as lines. We will import NumPy as NP, and we will import matplotlib as MPL. Let fig, x equal plt.subplots of fixed size equal width 15 and height 5. We set up the random seed for when we are assigning the colors. np.random.seed of 100. Let my colors equal np.random.choice of list of mpl.colors.skcd underscore colors, and those are in capital letters, dot keys, open and close bracket, comma, length of years. So we had, how many years we had here? So we had 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So there will be 18 colors created. Replace equal false. Replace equal false means every year will represent a new color. For I, year to plot in enumerate years. So for each year, let data equal passenger data, that's the data frame of, now we set up the constraint. So we will have we are subsetting from the big passenger data a set of values, and those set of values will satisfy the constraint passenger data of year column equal year to plot. If length of data equal 12, so we want for each year we want the data to be read for the all 12 months. If length of data equal 12, then x dot plot of data month. So from the passenger data that we subsetted the set of data satisfying the constraint passenger data year equal year to plot, from there we will plot on the x-axis month and on the y-axis passengers bracket thousands, comma, color equal my colors I. So these my colors are representing the colors for each year, satisfying this constraint. So x dot, then we want to put a text for each year. X dot text bracket December. So where the x-axis is December. So we can see that December is over here. So x equal December and y equal data dot I location, index location, bracket -1. So that is from the data frame, we are reading the index location for -1. That means the first column from the end, and the first column from the end is passenger thousands. So that will be on the y-axis, and comma year to plot. Year to plot is year to plot is the years that we want to plot. So this is becoming three-dimensional because we are plotting the x-axis, the y-axis, and the colors in year. Color equal my colors bracket I. X dot set underscore title, that will set the title as passenger trips across the Auckland Transport Network. X dot set underscore Y label will set the Y axis title, and that is passengers bracket thousands. PLT dot show open and close bracket. So we can see that in 2021, all the other years are okay, but in 2021 something happened, and this line over here is for 2020. So 2020 shows a decline. There's a major decline in April. And 2021 shows a major decline in September. And 2022 is not plotted because for all the months the data was not available. So the data is quite consistent for the years from 2008 to 2019, but 2020 and 2021 shows a major decline. That's when the COVID lockdown came in. Now we plot as box plots using Seaborn. We import Seaborn as SNS. Let fig, axis equal plt dot subplots of 1, 2, fig size equal width 20 and height 7. So 1, 2 is 1 row and 2 columns. SNS dot boxplot of x equal year. So the first box plot shows on the x-axis year being plotted, and on the y-axis passengers in thousands being plotted. Data equal passenger data, comma x equal axis bracket 0. So year-wise box plot that shows the trend. So we can see the linear trend from 2005 to 2019, and then there is a decline in 2020 and 2021 and 2022. So the lowest median is of passengers is in the year 2022. Then SNS dot boxplot of x equal month. This will be in the box plot in the second column of the first row. So x-axis shows month and y-axis shows passengers in thousands. Data equal passenger data. Set title axis 0 dot set underscore title of year wise box plot, and then \n, that will take the title to the second row, the trend in bracket. Font size is equal to 18. Font size equal to 18 is the size of the letters. Access bracket 1 dot set underscore title of month-wise box plot, and in the second line the seasonality in bracket, comma, font size equal 18. plt dot show open and close bracket, that shows the box plot. So month-wise, in the month-wise box plot, that's for every month. So for July, we can see that the lowest median for passengers is in January. And the highest median is looking like from March, in March. So this is the month-wise box plot. And this is looking at the seasonality. And the year-wise box plot gives us the trend. Discussion points, the trends. So looking at the trend, that is the year-wise box plot, it looks like increasing, linear increase from 2005 to 2019, but there is major decline for 2020, 2021 and 2022, and this is because of the COVID lockdown. And then December and January. So looking at December and January, we see a major decline in the passengers. And the lowest median is for January. So yeah, so in December and January, there is a major decline in the passengers. Okay, so we will finish the lab here, and then in the next lab, we are going to look at the patterns in time series.